like to introduce our cleaning training series. Due to the coronavirus, we have to meet all of you in front of the screen. It is really a pity. But the most important thing is that you are safe and healthy. In the past 4 months, our I&D team has been thinking how to help all the parents to keep their precious safe. What kit item can keep them having fun and learning? What kit products will be needed for the most of the country and market? How do we keep our sales volume when everybody is isolated at home? After brainstorming, we came out with a great idea, and we made an amazing kit item. That is the kit changing sink. It is completely original idea and design from our team, and we are really proud of them. You can train your kids to clean their hands often by such a cute and interesting sink. And meanwhile, they will have a lot of fun when they operate it by themselves. Let me show you how wonderful it is. This sink is designed for kids at age from 2 to 5 years old, so the height is 50 cm measured from the faucet, and 78 cm measured from the head of the bear. Before the kids wash their hands with water, they should take some soap and rub their hands several times. You could put a bottle of soap here, or use our foaming soap dispenser. And then you press the button here, and the water starts coming out from the faucet. And then you press the button again to stop water running when you finish. Here you have 2 hooks for towel to dry the hands, and a handle at this side for the towel for washing face. We have a rubber cover here. The material we consider safe and easy to be plucked out. The dirty water goes through the hole of the top in the middle and storage in the dirty water container. It is designed like a jar. You just pull it out and drop the dirty water. You might have a question, where is the water from? You could just use a container to bring the water and add the water through here, like a little filter. Or you just take out the water container and unlock the cover, and then add the water into this container. Here is a specific area as a cup holder. It fits any cup, and you could put the little toothbrush in the cup as we show. The cup, toothbrush, and soap dispenser are not included. You could buy on your own or from us as an additional deal. Now let's see the light and sounds effect. There are 2 touch sensors in the hands of the bear. Put your hands close to it. It comes out with light and sounds. It is a song with hand washing lyric. You listen. As you can see, there are several patterns on the mirror and with light surrounding. Don't you think this sink looks like the real sink of adults? It is really amazing. We had a record and video with our first little user about how he uses this sink, and he was really happy and had fun. Let's take a look at the video of we made. So cute, right? You know what? There are more surprises. After kids grown and they will chances to use the real sink. Don't worry, such an amazing item is not going to be wasted. We have a solution with an upgrade version. We remove the mirror, the faucet, and the tub, and we provide a block board like this. Then you cover the table with this block board. It becomes a block building table and it fits with all Lego blocks. Alright, that's all information about our Superstar Kitsch Real Sink. We are available to receive your orders now. Come on, contact us right away.